Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon refresh. I have an old crusty wig, as you can see. I have my wig caps on already, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the ball cap method, putting the Ebin lace spray on first, and then I cut that with a eyebrow razor, and then I'm going in with the Ebin Water Sport glue and putting the wig on. Then I'm gluing putting down the front with a headband. Then I decided to cut it because it was just ratty and just tangled, so I cut it, and then I cut it a lot more. So yeah, I went short with it. I really like how it came out though. You'll see soon. Then I went in and did my edges, tried to fix them up because they looked crazy. This wig is like really hard lace, so yeah, I had to do a lot of work. I should have plucked the edges, but it's fine. And this is how it came out. I really liked it. I hope you guys like it as well, and let me know what else you want to see in my next video. Okay, peace.